So, hello everyone, welcome back, and we are back with the art series. And the first one we are making here is I think it is a most of the time I say most of the time I say bunny, but this time I'll say rabbit. Okay, guys. Okay, so here we are using a black marker. You can use any other color, and I think he's sitting in between a lot of carrots, though it's his favorite fruit, yeah. Okay. So, okay, a video is incomplete without your fishy fish. So, here it is. And you can actually fill them with your desired colors. Here we are just showing you can use these colors. And while I'll say 1, 2, 3, and your fish and your aquatic system will be all done. So, ready? 1, 2, and 3. It was a little late, but okay, it's okay. So first you draw your drawings with the help of your pencil so that if there's any issue you can just rub it, and then with the marker you can make it like a perfect thing. So that's what we have done here. We have first created your drawing with the pencil and then we are using the marker here. Now for the coloring part, here is your reference. So now moving forward, what we are doing here is, I think we are making a deer here. That's a very rhyming kind of thing, deer here, but okay, that is what we are doing. So yeah, now all you have to do is just draw it the way we are drawing it, and your colors are here. Now moving forward, what we are making here is your jellyfish. So first we have drawn it with the help of your pencils, and now you can, oh it's not, yeah it is a jellyfish. First I thought it's an octopus, but no it's not. And so now you can just simply color, add your favorite desired colors, and your reference colors are here. Okay. So now moving forward, what we are making here is your crab. So as you all can see that in every design, first we have drawn it with the help of the pencil, and now we are just increasing it, making it darker with the help of your sketch pen, and it just make your drawing a bit more neat, and that's what you want. So yeah, just do it. And now for the reference of your colors, ta-da. Okay, and done. Now moving forward, what we are making here is, even I am trying to find out first, so let me and then I'll tell you guys. Okay, at first I thought it's Patrick from your SpongeBob, but it is not. Now even I'm thinking that how I was even supposing it to be. So it's a snail, yeah. Yeah, it is your snail, but we made it a bit larger, so I was a bit confused. Okay. Now moving forward, what we are making here is, okay, so first we have drawn it with the pencil as I've told you earlier a lot of times, and now you just have to, with the help of your marker, make them darker, and then we'll start to fill the colors, because that's what makes you a bit perfectionist. Yeah, that's what they call you. So yeah, so these are your 2 starfishes, and done. Thank you for watching the video.